Assembly instructions for the seat tilting gas spring. For this task you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 4mm Allen key, and two 17mm spanners. Here is the gas spring and bracket for the tilt adjustment, and the Bowden cable with the release handle. Here the tilt adjustment bracket is shown. This is supplied pre-assembled. Here is how the gas spring should be assembled. First, put the rubber buffer over the piston rod. Screw the brass nut to the end of the thread. Screw the end fitting onto the piston rod. Notice the white plastic hook moving upwards. Screw it on carefully until you feel a slight resistance. It is important that the end fitting is not screwed on too far, otherwise the chrome nipple on the piston rod will be pressed and the gas spring will be fully released. Turn the end fitting back half a turn and lock it in place with the nut. The gas spring is now ready for installation in your mobility base. Fix the upper part of the gas spring with the supplied countersunk screws in the corresponding holes of the seat plate. Be sure to glue the screws with a mid-strength thread locker. Fasten the end fitting to the underside of the frame with the nut, bolt, and spacers supplied. The position hole can be selected depending on the specific needs of the user. It is important to use the new safety nut provided. Mount the release handle on the push handle. Make sure that there is a distance of about 1 cm between the brake handle and the release handle. Insert the T-end into the cable guide of the release handle as shown and tighten the adjusting screw accordingly. Make sure that there is minimum play between the cable and the adjustment screw. Hook the other end of the Bowden cable into the fitting and push the cable into the slot. Make sure that the Bowden cable is ideally placed with free movement in mind. Finally, you can adjust the Bowden cable using the adjustment screw at the release handle. The cable should have some flexibility when employed. The tilting seat platform is now ready to use. These assembly instructions can be adapted for use with every Rehatec mobility base.